Questions 77 to 78 in the ACER green paper. Question 77. The following data was collected for the reaction x plus y to p. The rate law for this reaction is. So to answer this question, we've got to look at the table and draw a couple conclusions. First off, when we go from experiment 1 to experiment 2, our concentration of y doubles. And you'll also find that the rate of reaction also doubles when we go from 1 to 2. So therefore, we can say that the rate of reaction is directly proportional to the concentration of y. So basically, if the concentration of y goes up by, say, 2, the rate of reaction goes up by 2. If it goes up by 4, the rate of reaction goes up by 4. When we go from experiment 2 to 3, the concentration of x also doubles. However, when we go from 2 to 3, the rate of reaction actually goes up by 4. So what we're essentially saying is that the rate of reaction is going to be proportional to x, concentration of x squared. So if our concentration of x goes up by 2, then our overall rate of reaction will be equal to 2 squared, which is 4. So our rate of reaction goes up by 4. So therefore, we can say that the rate law for the reaction is going to be equal to some constant value times x squared from here and y from here. So overall, the correct answer for 77 is D, that the rate is equal to K, concentration of x squared times concentration of y. Question 78. The initial concentration of a compound T is 0.1 molar. Its reaction rate is second order with the value of the rate constant K being 4 times 10 to the negative 1. The time taken for the concentration of T to be reduced to 0.05 molar is. So we can use this formula given to us from the STEM because this formula works for second order reactions, and that's what we're solving for in question 78. So if you sub through all of the values, you get this. 1 on 0.05 is equal to 0.4t plus 1 on 0.1. So from there, what I'd do is I'd probably times across all the 0.1. So what you get is 2 is equal to 0.04t plus 1. It's equal to 1, 0.04t, which is equal to 100 on 4t, which is equal to 25. So therefore the correct answer for 78 is C.